Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. I hope you're doing well today. So, I've been diving into something pretty interesting lately, and I thought I'd share it with you. If you've been keeping an eye on the weight loss niche, you may have heard about the TRK Weight Loss Edition, and it's been generating quite a buzz. Whether you're looking to get into the weight loss affiliate marketing space or just curious about how it works, I've got all the details for you today. I'm going to walk you through what this program offers, what you get with it, and whether or not it's really worth your time. Let's get into it. First off, let me just say that the TRK Weight Loss Edition is an affiliate marketing program designed to help you promote weight loss-related products and earn commissions. What's great about this system is how simple it is. You get 90 human-written emails that are ready to go, which you can send out to your audience. These emails are already formatted and optimized for conversions, so you don't have to worry about coming up with any content yourself. Lee Murray, the creator, even mentions that these emails are evergreen, which means they won't go out of date and are relevant no matter what weight loss products you're promoting. So, if you've got a list or are planning to build one, these emails are set up for you to start earning right away. Another cool part of the TRK Weight Loss Edition is that you get 3 lead capture pages that Lee has personally created. These pages are designed to convert visitors into leads, which is exactly what you want in affiliate marketing. The more leads you get, the better your chances of making sales, right? Plus, you get access to a rotator system that distributes traffic to different affiliate offers, which means you don't need to constantly tweak or edit your links. Now, here's where things get even more interesting. If you choose to purchase the upgrade, which is priced at $97, you get a pretty sweet bonus. Lee will be driving traffic to your affiliate links every day forever. Yes, you heard that right, forever. Imagine getting daily traffic sent your way with no extra effort on your part. This can be a game changer, especially if you're just starting out and don't have a massive audience yet. The rotator system that comes with this upgrade will send traffic to your link, so you're constantly earning commissions without lifting a finger. And let's talk about those commissions for a second. The TRK Weight Loss Edition offers 100% commissions, which is pretty rare in the affiliate marketing world. You earn 100% of what people pay for the products. Whether it's the 12.95 offer, the 47 package, or the 97 upsell. That's a huge deal because many affiliate programs only give you a percentage of the sale, but in this case, you keep it all. Lee even makes sure to emphasize that you don't have to worry about editing individual emails or managing links. Everything goes through your rotator link, and that's it. You don't need to worry about the nitty-gritty details. Just promote the link and let the system do its work. One of the best parts about the TRK Weight Loss Edition is the support and training you get. When you sign up, Lee gives you full access to training on how to set up your rotator system and start promoting effectively. This is crucial for anyone who's new to affiliate marketing because getting the right traffic and understanding how to convert that traffic into sales can be tricky. Lee's training walks you through all of that, so you're not left in the dark. On top of that, you get world-class traffic training, which is a huge bonus for anyone serious about growing their online business. Now, I know some of you might be thinking about the price. The regular price for the TRK Weight Loss Edition is $47, which isn't too bad considering everything you get. But during the launch period, Lee is offering a special discount of $20 off with the promo code POPPY20. That brings the price down to $27. If you ask me, that's an insane deal for what you're getting. 90 emails, 3 high-converting lead capture pages, 100% commissions, and free daily traffic from Lee himself. That's pretty much a no-brainer. What's really cool is that you don't even need to be a weight loss expert to make this work. Whether you're into weight loss or not, you can promote the TRK Weight Loss Edition and related products because the emails are written in a universal, evergreen way. Lee has designed everything to be adaptable to any weight loss offer you want to promote, so the content stays relevant even as trends shift. I'd say this is a fantastic opportunity for anyone looking to get into affiliate marketing, especially in the weight loss niche, which is one of the largest and most profitable markets out there. Plus, the fact that Lee is offering 100% commissions and daily traffic makes this a very attractive offer, even for beginners. It's one of those programs that takes the guesswork out of affiliate marketing and gives you everything you need to succeed. So, if you're thinking about diving into affiliate marketing, or you're looking to add another revenue stream to your business, definitely consider checking out TRK Weight Loss Edition. With the discount code POPPY20, you can get started for just $27 and begin promoting right away. All the resources and training are laid out for you, so you don't have to worry about figuring things out on your own. That's it for today's review. I hope this helped you get a better idea of what the TRK Weight Loss Edition is all about. If you're interested, be sure to check out the link below, and I'll see you in the next video.